Hi, I am Antonette Aquino, a broadcasting student from Laguna State Polytechnic University, and I'm here to discuss to you the video format. And before we start, let us determine the meaning of the video. Video is a technology of electronically capturing, recording, processing, storing, transmitting, and reconstructing a sequence. Still images representing scenes in motions. Now let's talk about the history. Video technology was first developed for cathode ray tube television systems, but several new technologies for video display devices have since been invented. Standards for television sets and computer monitors have tended to evolve independently, but advances in computer performance and digital television broadcasting and recording are producing some convergence. Computers can now display television and film-style video clips and streaming media, encouraged by increased processor speed, storage capacity, and broadband access to the internet. General-purpose computing hardware can now be used to capture, store, edit, and transmit television and movie content, as opposed to older, dedicated analog technologies. And then let's go now to the description of video. The term video, meaning I see, from the Latin verb videre, commonly refers to several storage formats for moving pictures. Digital video formats, including Blu-ray disc, DVD, QuickTime, and MPEG-4. Now let's study the characteristic of video streams. Number of frames per second. It is the frame rate, the number of still pictures per unit of time of video, ranges from 6 or 8 frames per second. For old mechanical cameras to 120 or more frames per second for new professional cameras. Next is interlacing. Video can be interlaced or progressive. Interlacing was invented as a way to achieve good visual quality within the limitations of a narrow bandwidth. This is one of the important in video format, the video quality. Video quality can be measured with formal metrics like PSNR or with subjective video quality using expert observation. This one is for digital only. Video compression method. A wide variety of methods are used to compress video streams. Video data contains spatial and temporal redundancy, making uncompressed video streams extremely inefficient. Another one is bitrate. Bitrate is a measure of the rate of information content in a video stream. And then it is quantified using the bit per second or unit or megabits per second. Now let's go to our main topic, the video format. There are different layers of video transmission and storage, each with its own set of formats to choose from. For transmission, there is a physical connector and signal protocol. A given physical link can carry certain display standards, which specify a particular refresh rate, display resolution, and color space. And there are a number of analog and digital tape formats, though digital video files can also be stored on a computer file system which have their own formats. In addition to the physical format used by the storage or transmission medium, the stream of ones and zeros that is sent must be in a particular digital video encoding, of which a number are available. Here are the video connectors, cables, and signal standards. Video display standards, digital television. There are new formats for digital television broadcasts. Use the MPEG-2 video codec and include ATSC used by USA, Canada, Korea, DVB, Europe, ISDV used by Japan, Brazil, and Peru, and while DMB is used by Korea. Analog television. In analog video format, consists of more information than the visible content of the frame. Preceding and following the image are lines and pixels containing synchronization information or a time delay. This surrounding margin is known as a blanking interval or blanking region. The horizontal and vertical front porch and back porch are the building blocks of the blanking interval. The recording formats before videotape is kinescope, and the following are the different formats. Thank you for listening, and this is Antonette Aquino. Bye!